The Bamboo Forest Blanket Knitting Pattern. This is an easy knit and purl. It's worked flat in one piece. It's not reversible, and I'm giving you 7 blanket sizes. We're knitting it flat on circular needles with bulky weight yarn. Begin by casting on your stitches, and the number of stitches depends on the blanket size you choose. We begin with the bottom border. It's just a simple garter stitch, knitting all stitches on the bottom, and then we go into this nice big bamboo stitch. I have all of the information for you totally free on my website. We're finishing up with the top border in garter stitch as well. If you'd like, you can block your blanket for the best results. You can also get your printable pattern over in my StudioKnit shop. Get everything you need to know, including a knitting chart. I hope you enjoy knitting up your new bamboo forest blanket.